Yes, guys, big up on yourself again. Yeah, man. Once more, dip on the journey. Yeah, man. We're in the Ocho Rios area. Yeah, man. So we are going to go on a tour, a little tour at the place. We make you see what going on in the Ocho area, you know. Yeah, man. Me, fire read the boat. Fire read.
Big up yourself, man. One love, one heart, you know. So we're at Ocho. Man, big up the driver, big mall.
Yeah, man.
Take us on the journey, so.
Yeah, man.
Don't know, so my eyes are yours. Big up yourself anyway. There.
Same way.
Yeah, man, same way. Yeah?
Yes, guys, so you're done here, it, you know. From the great one, you know, fire raid. Yeah, man, we are going to the great content, man. So, no stick and stay and watch what go on. We're in traffic right now, guys. Traffic hectic on the road. So, no, stay tuned. Guys, yeah, man. Bringing value home. Yes, guys. When I shop at Quartz, you bring home the value, you know? Yeah, man. Yes guys, so we are here by the cruise dock. We are going to give you guys a little tour. Yes guys, so we're up on a pier now. We take a tour. Yeah man, I'm gonna show you some lovely boat and the water pretty and all. Yeah man, so no stick and stay and watch what go on for that. When I fish them guys, I think we're not gonna see them. Oh no, when I fish them. Watch out. Enough, yeah? Enough. Mm-hmm. People want to know say Jamaica nice, you know. Yeah man. Especially on the Ocho side, yeah. Yeah, so whenever you know, come to Jamaica, you don't need to come up on the Ocho side. Yeah man, can take on a vacation and come out on the Ocho side, you know. Yeah man, come chill out and go on easy on yourself. Yeah. So guys, so here there. Yes guys, so you see how the water blue and pretty. Yeah man. This is Ocho Rios guys. One boat out of sea there. Chuka Cove. Guys, a fire rate that, you know. Yeah, man. We're out here, guys. We're out here. Now, showing you the lovely place, you know. Yes, man. But, guys, may I tell you, right now, place nice, man. Place nice. Guys, let me tell you something, man. Don't be afraid to do what you want to do in life. Because, you see, right now, if you need to take a break and, you know, free your mind, free yourself, guys, don't be afraid to vacate yourself. Yeah man, just take the time out and do what you need to do for yourself, guys, because trust me, a little break when you take in your life, you're not frightened to see where you put on, you're frightened to see how you bounce back and come up decent, and you know, all of them something, guys. So you don't know anything set in a Father Mark, pick up yourself. Yeah man. Well, some little baby fish in the water, guys. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they are right there. Yeah man. Island Dog Speed 1. So yes guys, they have a lot of offices over here. JCF, JDF, all of those little offices. Jamaica Fire Brigade, Marine Division, Ocho Rios. So let me give you a close up of the numbers to call. Yeah, man. 876-974-2317 or 876-857-6999. Guys, so there are some men working on the pier here. Yes. Guys, sorry there's no cruise ship here to see. Yeah man, the last time I came here there was a big cruise ship right here. Yeah man, so guys, trust me, see the view. Yeah man, the view nice guys, trust me. Boy guys, now I'm gonna stop talking about my island Jamaica guys. Jamaica nice, Jamaica nice guys, trust me. Yeah man, so come in guys, book on a flight, come in Jamaica, vacate on the Ocho Rios side. Yeah man, I don't know guys, right now, Jamaica nice, trust me, that's all I have to tell you guys, Jamaica very nice guys. So yes me guys, yes my people, so when I think about the pier tour, Ocho Rios, let me know what you all think about it. Yeah man, leave in the comment section where you guys think is the best place to vacate in Jamaica. Ocho Rios, Negril, and so forth. So let me know. As there's fire raid, you know. Yeah man, the general fire raid. Yeah man. Yes. Yeah man. So guys, yeah man, stay tuned. So yes guys, we're done tour the pier now. So we're gonna take a little spin in the town area, get something to eat, and then get back on the journey. So I'm stick and stay. Down here guys, that you can get your stuff, your souvenirs, to buy your t-shirts, your crafts, all of those stuff. They have a restaurant down here called the Calabash Ital Restaurant for all those who don't eat meat. When you're down here you can check it out. So guys, yeah man, they are the KFC, you know. Yep. So there we are going now, go get some food. Stick and stay. Two-piece chicken. Yeah man, so I'm stick and stay and watch what go on. So yes my people, just went to Fontana Pharmacy, got some whiteboard markers for my daughter. Yeah man. So catch up on the journey now. Yes guys, so we're back on the journey again. Yeah man. Hi. Guys, you see me I tell you now? Yeah man. Right now, we're there at Dunn River Falls. See it here guys? Check it. Yeah man. Dunn River Falls and Park. Trust me. Really, really nice. I'm showing a little water we are run across the road, so stick and stay. How we coming, boss? Yeah. See it there? Fire reading on my people.
Yeah, man, we're there about, you know?
Yes.
Man, we're there Ocho.
Yeah, man.
That's a Jamaican dance. You can't better.
Can't better, my boss. Can't better. Yes.
Can't better, my people. But tell me it's a Jamaican dance. Big up anyone there.
Big
One
up.
love.
Alright, guys, you see it? Tell me if this is not beautiful, guys. Tell me if this is not beautiful. Tell me if Jamaican are nice. Talk to me. Water clean, clear and pretty. Guys, and this is coming strictly from out the hills of Dunn River Falls. So guys, this is where the water comes from under the road, goes from over there to under the road and end out here. Come on, so guys, right now, we're going to end the video here, you know. Guess what now? What I want you guys to do, always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. And guys, I hope you like the traveling video. Yeah man, we are touring Jamaica guys. So one love, one heart, pick up yourself ever now. Thank you guys for tuning in.